I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Thank you for asking.
Yeah. So for as an introduction, my name is Prashant. I'm working in Mosarada Planning Department. We will look all the CAFM related issues here, and we will issue the mainly look for the planning of PPM jobs.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So
I
today we will look how to use the CAFM application, how to use it, how to search and filter out the PPM task, how to close the PPM task, how to add a quotation in CM task, okay, how to close the CM task, and then we'll move to how to apply the permits. Okay, this is our today's agenda. So just give me 1 minute. I will share my screen. Let me know once it is visible to you. Okay.
yeah. I'm using the mobile, huh? But it's okay. I think it's okay.
Yeah, you can see on that, right?
It's still black screen, sir.
Wait, I have not shared yet.
Yeah, I can see. I can see
Now you
my.
can see. Yeah, okay, great.
So we're going to discuss is the PPM, correct?
Sorry.
The
We'll
our
start with the
choice.
PPM. We will start with PPM, then we'll
Okay.
move to CM, and then we'll in the last we'll see how to apply the permit.
Okay. The PW.
Yeah, PTW.
PTW, right?
Yes, yes. So I will introduce what is the CAFM. CAFM is a web-based application where you don't need a separate application. It is just you have to access that link and then you can use that.
Yes.
Okay. Uh, so this is the link. Okay, I will share this link with you once your account has been created. This is the link. Once I access this link, you can see the login screen has been appearing, right? So here you need to put the your credential, username and the password.
Mm-mm.
So this is the once you logged in, this is the CAPM interface, user interface. Whereas in this is the menu options, and whatever options you will select, it will come appear over here.
Mm-mm.
So this is actually administration account, so you will not get the system administration and setting and all these main options. You will have a limited these things menus, okay, as per your role. That means contractor role. You will have this task management modules and all these things. Okay, so now this is the user interface. Now we'll go how to check the PPM task, how to sort it out, how to filter it out. So once you clicked on task management, you have to click on the task.
Task management and the task, right?
Yeah. So you can see at the right side, it is still processing it. So at the right side, you can see all the tasks, right? This is called as task grid. These
Okay.
are all tasks. So in your account, all tasks will be appear over here. PPM task, CM task, all the tasks, huh,
Okay. Mm-mm.
related to your account. Suppose
Mm-mm.
you will have maintenance in Aspire zone. So Aspire zone related to your contract, all the tasks will appear here. Okay. So now you will. how you will filter it out the ppm tasks. Okay, so you can see there are different columns over here. This is set up according to my need. You can set up through you can personalize it or customize it according to your need by these options. I will show you how to customize it later, but I will explain you the how these columns are defined. So you can see every task is defined by one ID. The system will create ID for unique ID for the particular task. So each task will have a separate individual ID so that you can find out from that ID. Okay. Second is building name. This Aspire Academy. These are venue names, building names. Okay. This is not related to your this thing building sequence description. So this is a description, system description under which this will come. Okay. When this task created, that date will appear here. Due by means every task will have the due date, right? Turnaround time. Within that time only you have to complete that, right? You cannot
Yes.
just create a task. It should be completed within a defined timeline. So that timeline
Yeah.
will appear here as per the whatever priority we will select accordingly. This will due by will be defined. So for CM task, due by will be defined by the priority, but PPM task 3 days will be the you have turnaround time of 3 days. Okay.
Mm-mm.
So authorization date, you don't need it. Finish date, you don't need it. Finish date means once the task has been closed, that date will be appear over here. So this is not important to you. This you will understand once you will be using it. But the main thing is how you will filter out the PPM task. Okay. So in the task type, okay, there are different tasks, breakdown tasks and ppm tasks. This schedule and project, it is not applicable for your account. Mainly cm task and ppm task. Ppm, you know what is ppm and what is breakdown, right?
Yes.
So for ppm you have to select the ppm task.
Mm-mm.
Okay, this is ppm task. Now what is reported date? A reported date means from that date the that task has been reported, and due date starts from there. Suppose 3 days due date for the ppm task, right? So suppose reported date is 1st of December, then it is started from that date and time until 3 days. You will have the this thing time to
The over,
complete that task. Yes, to close
the
that
over.
task.
Yeah, yeah. The SLA. I mean to say the SLA for the particular request.
Uh, who's this?
Our help desk,
Okay.
so that I can view me. I can view also clearly because I'm using only
Yeah.
only the
Okay. No worries.
maybe.
So,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
so
Okay.
from reported date, that means that from that date the ppm will start. So suppose I want to see the all the ppm tasks in the December month. So how I will do? How I will apply the filters? I will click on the 1st of December. For each date column, you will have two options. First is you have to select from, and then you will have to select the two. That means till which date you want to apply the filters. So I have selected whole month, right? From 1st of December till 31st of December,
Okay.
right? Understood? So
Yes. The PPM for the whole month of December, correct?
yeah, yes. So these are all ppm tasks for the whole month. I will select Aspire Zone because it is related to Aspire Zone. Your contract is in both, Mox and Aspire, right?
Yeah.
Okay, fine, no worries. So if you want to filter it out, then you can select for Aspire, you have to look it out. Then you can select the Aspire. For Mox, you want to select, you can select as a Mox. Okay,
As per the contract.
as per the contract.
Yeah.
You can also click the particular contract, but you will have only one contract, right? You don't have the other contracts serving to Motion Other, right? Or Aspire.
Yes.
Currently you have only one contract. There is the option to filter by contract as well, but in your account there will be only one contract, so you don't need it. So these are the total 6,971 tasks for the PP in the month of December. Now, if you want to filter by the type, oh, sorry. For your contract, there is no PPM, right?
I did not yet read the contract. Actually, I did not yet read the contract, but let me check with them. If we don't have PPM, so we'll go
I
to the
don't think so.
city.
I don't think so. You don't have PPM, right? You don't have BPM. You have only CM tasks. Okay. No worries. I have completed. This is a very important part. How to sort it out. So you can just filter. So now in this you don't have to filter it out. So this is actually task grid. Okay. PPM you can filter it out, but in your contract it is not there. So uh, consider as a additional information. Okay.
Yeah, no problem.
Now the same thing. If you want to now
Yeah.
this level of completion means the task is at which level. That means completed final inspection pass. There are different levels. Okay, raised means task is just raised. Quotation issued means the quotation has been requested to you all guys. So these are the level of completion. You will understand once you go through it. So
Mm-hmm.
so this is how you access the task grid, and you will filter the uh, tasks according to your need. You have any questions in this in the how to go to task grid and how to apply the filters? Suppose in this task 6,907 you want to see the task for the particular building. Suppose you want to see the only for Khalifa Stadium. Okay, so what you will do, you will select the particular venue according to the your requirement. Now sometimes you also don't know the full name of that stadium. Suppose you don't know the Khalifa, you don't know, so you know only KH. So you can use wild search option. So in that you have to put asterisk or star in the first and then
Okay.
put KH. Then all the related wherever the KH texting is mentioned, all that buildings will appear here. Okay,
Okay.
so you
Asterisk,
can
then
just
the
yeah,
uh
asterisk means wild search option.
yeah,
You
yeah.
can put so you can see all the Khalifa is coming over here. Suppose you don't know Aspetar full name of Aspetar, so you put Aster ASP. So
Okay.
wherever there is a ASP mentioned into it, it will appear over here. In
All
this
the
yeah
aspect.
ASP wherever there is a text string or this three words three letters will be there. It will appear.
Yes, I understand now.
Yeah. So in this way you can filter out the required tasks. Okay.
Okay.
Now this is my task grid. It is set up according to my requirements. Okay. So now I will show you. Now if you want to export this task 2500, I will just filter it out more so that this is system description. You can see the BMS, electrical, whatever. You can just filter it out that way as well. If you want to see the electrical task, you can put it as electrical, or you can also use wild search option.
Mm.
So these are three tasks. Suppose you want to export this task into Excel, then you can just click on in the right side, in the right bottommost corner, you can see there are some symbols, right? Icons. You can see or not?
Yeah, I can
This
see it.
icon. Yeah.
I
So
can see it.
first one is export to CSV. That means this task will be exported to,
CSV.
yeah, Excel, CS, and okay. These are the tasks. This has been
Okay.
no, now this is the print. You can print or take. This is not required. You can export and then you can use this. Even if I will show you how it will look.
Understood.
Yeah, this will give the print to your screen. That's it, and you can
And
just print this task. That's it. But this first one is more useful than that. Mm, and now the main important is if you want to set up this column grid according to your need, you have to click on this fourth icon, that is personalize. Okay.
yes,
Once you clicked on it,
you can
suppose,
arrange the grid.
yeah, suppose there are lot many columns in my grid, right? I don't need that much of columns. So how you will, if suppose this PPM sequence, I don't need it. So I want to remove it. Then how I will do it? I need to find out that PPM sequence.
Then remove from the.
Yeah, and I will click on it and I will click on the remove button. Okay,
Okay.
suppose there are some tasks. Okay, sorry, some column names. It is not appearing in your grid, so you can add it from here. Whatever you want to add, you can add it from here. Suppose the building name is not appearing in your this thing grid, so you have to find out from here. Suppose I want to find out.
But boss, question
Yeah.
regarding with the additional grid and removing a grid. Uh, we do have access on that, or just
Yes, 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 you have.
okay. So we do have access for the
Yeah.
grids. Okay, thank
Yes.
you. Thanks for that.
Now, suppose in my task, in your task grid, building is not appear, so you will have to click on the building, and you will have to find out the name. Okay. See, there is name. So you can once you find out whatever you want to add it, you can add it from this thing, and you can just add it. Already it is added in my this thing, so it will not appear. It is showing that already selected. That means it is already in my grid. Okay. So in this
Okay.
way, suppose you want to change the sequence, you can change it. This so suppose in my task ID is first and then building name is second. So if you want to change it, you can change it. Suppose you want to make it building name is at first, then these are the navigation keys here. You can use that. First one is move to top. Whatever you will click on it and you will click on this button, move to top. That means it will become the topmost column. Okay. Same thing. You will use it for the all these buttons. So you can move it at the bottom as well as you can move it by one. This is move up and move down.
Uh,
One by one, you can move it. Understood?
understood. Understood.
Yeah. Okay. Is there any question in this? How
For now,
to,
no. We can go ahead.
yeah. So now we will move how to this thing. See how to add this. How to see the CM task. So this
Question.
is
Can you share me also this template that you had? No.
slides.
The other
What?
slide.
Yeah, yeah. I will share it with you. No worries.
Oh, thank you for that. Thank
Yeah. So now how the CM work. This is the CM workflow. So first, suppose for actually your contract, all the sources already depend. So quotation will be very less for your contract. Okay, right?
you.
There
Yeah,
are
yeah.
three types. First is stocks. Stocks will be moved within our our this thing. That is our
Okay.
warehouse to it is related to Mosana. For you, there will be two things. SOR and the quotations. Okay. So first SOR, how it will work. First job will be raised under that job raised. You know SOR, right?
This one?
You know SOR, right?
Can you rephrase me, sir?
Schedule operates.
Okay.
So that means suppose in your contract that is some activities or some materials is already defined that you will provide that activity, you will provide that services within this amount of rate, right? It is already defined.
Uh-uh.
That is called as schedule operates. Suppose in
Okay.
your contract there is a supply of it is already defined that supply of AC and the manpower related manpower. It is
Okay.
already defined. That is
Mm.
for 100 reals. Okay, so people what people will do, they will raise a task, they will add the SOR, that whatever SOR code will be applicable in your contract, they will add it in this task and they will submit the that task. Once that task has been raised, it will go to particular venue engineer in that suppose they have selected for hospital, then venue engineer related to that discipline, that is suppose mechanical task, so mechanical venue engineer will approve that task at the first level, then senior manager will approve at second level, then because it is SOR and the rates for that task is already defined, so it will not go to commercial department, it will directly go to client, and in this way it will go to the client. Once it is approved by all the client levels, then it will go to you.
Okay. How many will approve this engineer and senior engineer, correct? Only two person?
Mm, no, no, for most another side there will be engineer and senior manager for
Ah,
SR,
senior
and then
manager.
it will move to client will be depend on the cost. That will be sometimes it's 4 level, sometimes it's 2 level, 3 level.
Okay, it depends the level of the Musanada, right? The client.
The cost, it's depend on the cost.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so now uh suppose you they have the some suppose they have something, what I will give you the example as example. Suppose there are few lights and they want to replace it. Okay, but it
Mm.
is not in your this thing. Sorry, it is not in your contract. It is not already
Yeah.
defined in your contract in schedule
Yeah.
operates. So they
Okay.
need to request your quotation, right? So how it will
Yes.
work? Okay, so they will raise a job card for it. Okay,
Uh,
then they will request a quotation for from you. Okay,
okay. Okay. Okay.
then you will add the required three codes or whatever. They will request the code to you. Once then as per the system will notify you that the task has been raised in the system for this work, and quotation has been requested to you.
Okay.
So once this request has been done, then you will have to attach the quotation and submit the quotation. Okay, attach
Okay.
documents and then attach the rate of it and then submit the quotation. Once you submitted it, it will go back to again venue engineer, it will go back to senior manager, then it will go to commercial department, and then it will move to client level. Once it is approved from all the levels, then it will be issued to contractor, that means you guys, and then you can start the work.
Work. Okay.
Yes.
Once we all the documents have been approved, we can start the work.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
okay.
Now I will show you how. We will see how to. So what? This is one task. Okay. So they want some belts. Okay, for AHO, and this is the task they have raised it. Okay, when engineer have raised this task. You can see, right?
Yes, I can see.
So there are all the this is Aspire Academy related tasks related for HOSA category. Okay, from here you can see this is a breakdown task. You can here I have shown you the breakdown. See here you can see this is a breakdown task, right?
Yes,
Okay, so this is a task for HVAC and Aspire Academy. Now here they have shown they have displayed I mean written that whatever the material required they have put it here, and whatever services they required, so they need some belts and some relays. Okay,
yes,
now you can just check all the particular related to this task. Also they can attach the document related to it. If they think that this is not they cannot give you the complete idea from this description, then they will attach the document. Suppose they do some site surveys and they reports, and then they can attach over it. You can also see that. Now we'll see what in the shortcut what they have done. So they have added the SOR. That means this builds and all the materials has been already defined in the contract. Okay. So
okay.
now
Yeah, yeah, okay, okay.
now the commercial so see this is been approved by the venue engineer, this approved by the senior manager, and then it is approved by the clients. Okay. Now
Mm,
once this is approved from the all the levels, the code is showing as the approved. You can see here it is as a approved.
yes,
Okay. Always remember it for a time being. Now this is yes or so you don't need to have attach or anything in the quotation. You don't need to do anything in the quotation because this is yes or okay. This is done by only when engineer or the site team from another side. Okay, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to upload the documents in the code. I'm talking about the quotation, not about the task. Okay, so
yeah,
in the
yeah, yeah.
quotation you don't have to do anything because in the quotation suppose this is SOR, so you don't have to do anything. But in if it is for the quotation, then you have to do some upload the quotations and upload the documents. You have to do it. But for this
Okay,
SOR, you don't have to. Then now you can see this is approved task, so you can see that means LOC is issued to contractor. It is automatically changed to issued to contractor. That means this task has been issued to contractor. Contractor has been already notified. Now, what you will do? Suppose this task has been issued to you, and so what? Once this task has been completed, suppose you will also have to install that builds. Okay. So what you will do? First, you will you will print this. You will okay. So you will complete this task on site, right? You will deliver the this code builds and you will install it. Then related to that uh, work, you will upload the documents related to it in the task. Suppose work completion report or whatever, or
The
the
completion.
warranty certificate, yeah, completion report, whatever
But
related to that task documents, you will upload
but
here. So how you will
once
upload? Yeah,
once the
once job is
once
done.
yeah, we're going
Yeah,
to upload the documents,
yeah,
supporting documents. What should I say?
yeah,
Supporting documents of the particular
yes,
work
yes, yes.
order.
Yes.
Okay,
So in the main options, you can see the documents over here, right? You can see it.
but you uh
How to upload
for
document?
yeah,
I'm
yeah,
teaching you.
yeah. If you're going to upload the document, so the work order itself, particular work order should be open or should be
Particular
open.
work. Yeah, it should be
For
open. It can, if
example,
it is closed, you cannot do anything to that task.
mm,
Work
mm,
order means task you are saying, na, right? Not the
yeah, yeah,
contract.
yeah, yeah,
Task,
yeah,
right?
yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
if it is closed, if you once you close, then also it should be closed by the venue engineer. Then you cannot do it anything. Then that means
mm.
that task has been closed.
So
It should
before
be
the
open.
task is, yeah, before
Yeah,
the task, before the documents will be
yeah,
uploaded, the task should be open because
yeah.
once
Task should
the
be
task
open.
is closed, we cannot able to upload the
Yeah.
documents.
Yes, yes,
Okay,
right. So in
okay,
the how you will upload it in the left menu, you can see find out the document option. Document menu, you have to click on it.
documents. Okay,
Once you clicked on it, you can see the this different icons. The first one is blank page. Open new entity. Okay. Open dialog to create new entity. So you have to click on it. Now in the document reference number name, you can give any reference name to name here. Suppose document reference name you want to put it as work completion report WCR. You will put it as a WCR. Then always remember for CM task you will select the if any documents you want to upload, always select the repository as default. There are two.
default.
Yeah, in CAFM always remember there are some fields are highlighted in yellow and other fields are highlighted in gray. What it means, the yellow fields are mandatory one, gray fields are optional. You can fill it if you want to give more detailing to that particular documents, you can give it. But the yellow fields are mandatory. You have to select that.
Sorry. Mm.
Got it?
Yes,
In this whole I mean system, wherever there is a yellow field, that means it is mandatory. Wherever there is a
yes.
gray field, it is optional.
Okay,
That
understood.
means without giving the yellow fields data, it cannot process. It will give an error. Give you an
Yeah,
error. Okay, got it.
correct.
So now I have a repository. You have to select as a default, and document reference you can give it as so that the particular team can identify what the document it is. Okay. Now you have selected both these fields. Then you can browse from your system. Browse your system from here, and you can upload the document,
Okay,
and you can save and close.
yeah.
That's how you save. You can click on save or save and close, and that's how you will upload the document.
The document reference, it depends with the document's name, right?
Yeah, document's name, but this is for only task. For PTW, it will be
Yeah, yeah.
different. I will explain you for PTW. Now I have uploaded. See, you can see the document. If you want to see the document, in the last there is a view button. View the document in pop-up window. Double click, it will not open. You have to click on the last icon, that is view the document in pop-up window.
Mm.
You can see.
What is WCR?
Huh?
The WCR. What is that WCR?
Work completion report. I have just given the document reference name na.
Mm.
You have not seen it. Wait, I will show you. This name I have given to you, go document reference, right? Work completion report
Mm,
right now. And then I have selected default and then I have saved it. So
mm.
if I suppose there are some documents, you are not the only one who will upload the documents. Other guys also upload. When engineer will also upload the documents. Suppose they think that the contractor needs to know this data, then they can also upload. So how you will see that document? So once you clicked on that particular document, you just have to click on view the document in pop-up window and it will appear over here. Either it
Okay.
will be downloaded or either it will be appear over here.
Okay. That was if the documents has been uploaded, you can click from there to view the document that have been
Yes, yes,
uploaded.
yes,
Correct.
yes. Yes. This is the document I have uploaded.
Mm, 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 mm.
Excel sheet I have uploaded. So this is also appearing. Okay.
Okay.
I will delete it because this is already a ongoing task. So I have just shown you. Now, once you uploaded the document, once you done all this related work, then you can change the LOC as completed. Okay. That means it is completed from your side. Still the task has not been closed. Okay. Still the status will be assigned.
Okay.
So once you change the LOC as completed, that means it is completed from your side, contractor side. Now what
Okay.
when engineer will do? When engineer will verify the task, verify the job, that particular job. Okay. And then they will uh, they will verify all the documents and they will create an event that is final inspection passed. And then they will change LOC as a final inspection passed. So that
Okay.
means that
So what we'll do is to upload the documents, change
yeah,
the location
LOC to
to
completed.
uh, completed, then save, then the engineer will do the rest.
Yeah, then when engineer will do the rest. The once
Oh,
that task status, you can see that. Wait, where it is? Right now, you can see status as assigned. Right. Once when
yes.
engineer will change the LOC and once when engineer will do the inspection to that task, final inspection pass, then the status will be automatically changed to completed. That means task has been closed.
Okay.
Here, it will show
Okay.
as a completed.
Okay.
Uh,
So the engineer, once the engineer saw that the LOC is already completed, so they will review all the documents from the system.
yeah. They have done the required inspection and they have closed it. Then you can
Oh,
proceed for the invoicing. After not for the particular task, after this circle of this month or like that, as per
mm,
your invoicing procedure.
okay.
I will
Got
show
it.
you one completed task. Wait. Now you can see once they have changed this, add the event and change the LOC as final inspection pass. Status at system will change the status automatically to completed. See, and then this task, the finish date will automatically captured by the system.
Mm,
Understood?
yeah, yeah, understood.
Now this is how you will close the SR. Okay. Now if there is any quotation raised to your this thing, so yes, or I have explained you how to close the CM task. Now I will show you how to upload the quotation to particular task. Okay.
Okay.
Just give me 1 minute. Sorry.
No problem.
I'm trying to find out the task just so that it will be easy to you.
Mm.
Suppose this is the task. Okay.
Okay.
This task has been created already by already approved. Suppose this is the task which has been created for the CCTV systems. Okay. Uh, Consider as example. I know CCTV is not under you, but still. Okay. So this you can see all the details has been filled over here. So what they have written, what is the problem? Damage camera rectification required. Okay. So there are two cameras, they want to repair it. Okay.
Yeah.
So now this is the task. Now you have to go to the issued code.
Issued code.
Yeah. Then you can see this is the task which they have raised. They have requested the this is a requested quotation. Okay. This has been created by the site team. Now this is the particular line item they need it. Okay. This is the supply installation of camera. This is the part code. Okay, they need it. They will particular suppose they need the particular capacitor, AC capacitor, whatever, it will appear over here. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have not created the requested code. This is venue engineer's part. They have not done it, so I'm just doing it. Okay. So this is supplier code. Okay.
Mm-mm.
Now once you find out the supplier code, okay, so you will have to open it and you need to put the cost over here. Okay.
Mm-mm.
Right now I have not requested, so it is not coming, but you have to put the cost over here. Okay.
Mm-mm.
So once you will click on it, once it is requested, wait, I will assign to the particular. Anyway, I will request it, then let us see. This is venue engineer, so they have requested now. quotation has been requested, and this notification went to the particular contractor, that is black arrow. Okay, so now
Mm.
what they will do, they will open this supplier code. How you understand how to go to it? Plus they will
Yes.
click on the issued code.
Mm.
This is first one is cancelled, so second one is dormant, that you need to open it.
Okay.
Then you have to go to the requested code.
Registered.
Then
Yes.
you have to click on the requested code. Then you have to click on the supplier codes. Okay, so once you click on the supplier codes, then you will have to open it.
Mm.
Okay, once you opened it, you will enter the cost over here. Okay, whatever cost is there, 50, 100, you will open it, and you will put it, and you will save and close. Okay, this you understood how to put the cost. If you want to put the cost for materials, you can put it here. You want to put the cost for labor, you can put it here. Once you put the cost, you will save it, right?
Yeah. Any value that we have, we need to enter from that, then save.
Any value means whatever the particular value for that line item.
Mm. Okay.
Okay, suppose that is you want to quote it at 100 years, so you can put it here. You have to put it here 100 reals. Okay,
Yes.
whatever. Suppose there is a material of 100 reals, and labor cost is 50 reals, then you will put it as 50 reals. You are quoting whatever quoting value, you have to put it here, right? You understood?
Yes. Understood.
Once this is done, then what you will do? Then you will upload the documents related to it, three quotation or whatever, or they related to that your this your quotation. You will upload it here. Same how you will upload it. Same procedure like I have explained.
So
Okay,
once you have
here.
finished all updating the supplier code, save, then attach the documents.
Yes, you have to upload the documents, of course.
Yes.
The quotation, you will upload the quotation. Then same in repository, you will select the default. Then you will
Mm-mm.
browse your system, and from that
Mm-mm.
system you have created some quotation, so you will upload the quotation
Mm-mm.
same way. Okay, and then
Yes.
you will submit it and save and close it. Now
Yes.
you have uploaded the document, you have put the cost. This two things has been done, right?
Yes.
Now what you have to do, you have to approve the quotation. This is
Okay.
this in the supplier code, not the general code.
From the supplier code,
Yeah,
you need to
you have to
approve.
select that,
Once you have
and
done.
yeah, this you can approve it.
Okay.
Okay, so once you have done that, you have clicked on that approved code. That code has been approved. Now what you will have to do after that, you have to go to the main issued
General.
code. Main issued code, once you upload that, and you have to add the event of. Once you open the issued code, main quotation, issued quotation, then you have to. So I will explain it again. This is the main quotation. Once you open
Yeah.
it, there are some. First is requested code. That has been requested by the site team.
Mm-mm.
Under that, there is a supplier code where what you will do, you will upload the cost. Once you open this, you will upload the cost, and in this you will upload the documents, right? Understood?
Oh,
Till here.
yeah.
Now,
Yeah.
now in the supplier code, once you upload the documents, you will approve that quotation, right? Third step.
Correct.
Now you will close all, and you will go again in the main quotation,
Mm-mm.
issued quotation. In that quotation, not in the requested, in that you have to click on the events, and
Okay.
then
Once you
i-
upload all the documents, save that quotation, go back to
mm,
the quotation code, then
issued
in that
quote.
quotation code, in that issued code, you need to go to the events.
Yeah. So what you are doing, you have uploaded the quotation. Now you are submitting the quotation. So here, from
Okay.
here, you will quotation, you will add the event as quotation submission completed, and you will save and close. That's it.
Okay.
Your job is done.
Okay. Then save and close, right?
Yeah, and then save and close. Your job is done. The quotation has been submitted. Now it will go to approval stage. Right. I
Okay.
explained you that approval stage, that it will go to an engineer and will go to this. If they want to reject it, or they want to return comment, they will reject it, and they will put some comment, and they will issue the new quote again if there is
Mm,
some mistake. So when engineer will review it, then SM will review it, then commercial will review it, and then client will review it. Then once it is approved from all the levels, it will issue it to the contractor. I will show you. I have shown you already, right? How
yeah.
the court has the suppose this is the issued code. What contractor has done it? See, first this is the line item. They have a requested code for it. The two parts of polysulfide sealants, border tiles. Some tiles they have requested, and they requested for the some sealants. Okay, now in the requested code they have requested it. Okay, to contractor, particular contractor. Now contractor has what they have done it. See, they have clicked on it. They put the see 286 point. They have put the cost over here. They put the item description, and they put the other cost as 22.92, and then they have approved it from here. Status, that means they have approved it by clicking on this. Now this is not highlighted, right? That means they have
Yes.
already clicked on it. They
Mm,
have done it. They have uploaded one document. See, they have some uploaded some details and the quotation and all these things they have uploaded, and they have just first they will upload the document, and then they will approve it, right? Okay. Now in the general these things, in general issued code, in the event you will see it code, they have submitted the code, right?
yes.
After that it went to approval stage, that is when engineer, senior manager, and as per level 1 2 3 4, and the commercial. Okay,
Yeah.
this must be a SOR, that's why commercial is not there, but if it is quotation, commercial also there.
Oh, okay. Okay. Understood. Understood.
Now this has been completed. Now it is approved quotation. You can see from here the quotation has been approved. Now LOC will be changed to automatically to issued contract. That means it has been raised to you. Now what you will do? The further how I have explained you how to close the same task. Then you will perform it. Then you will upload related documents to it, and you will change the task LOC. Huh? Not this LOC.
To
Task
complete.
LOC.
the- to
Yeah.
completed. Assigned to
Yeah.
completed.
Yeah. This no.
Correct.
This you will not. LOC issued to contractor. Now you will change it to contractor. Oh, sorry, completed.
Yeah. Completed.
Here you will change it to completed, and then you will save and close, and then when engineer will close the task. That means they will do the
Yes.
final
Yes.
inspection of this.
They
Understood?
will be who will complete that task.
Yeah. This is that's
We'll,
it for
we'll,
CM task.
yeah, we'll just change it, the LOC to completed. Then
Yes.
save. Then
Yes.
after we all done that things, they will review and they will close the task.
Yes.
Okay. That,
I have explained you the how to add the quotation, how to upload the documents, and how to
yes. Right.
submit the quotation. That you need
Yes.
to go into the events, and That's it. That's it for CM task. You also know the how to close the CM task, right?
Yeah,
Now, is there any questions in this CM task?
we can CM task for now. No, no. Well, I understood.
Yeah. Even though you will go to the this PPT, you will also, if there is any doubt, you can reach at any time to
Yeah,
planning
I
team
can
or me.
contact.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can contact you directly.
Yeah. Yeah. Now we'll see how to apply the permit. PTW.
Yes.
This is very important one.
Yeah, that's the very important one.
Because before starting any job, you have to apply the permits. PTW.
Exactly.
So how you will go to PTW? Okay. So for the task, you have to go to the task management. You have to click on the task. But for work permits, you have to click on the work permits.
Ah, okay. Work permit.
Yeah. So now, suppose you have to create one work permit. So you will click on the first this sign, open
Icon.
dialog to create new entity,
Mm-mm.
first icon, and then you can see this. Uh, this window will appear to create the permit. Now
Mm-mm.
I have already explained you. Yellow means you have to
Sorry.
fill this mandatory data, and the gray ones are optional. But here you will have to provide all the details for permits, even though it is in gray. Okay.
Okay.
So first, this email ID. Always remember this email ID. Ensure that this email ID is correct one, because once the PTW will be approved, it will send to approved PTW will be send on this email ID. Okay.
Question.
That's it.
Question. In the PW,
Hmm.
PTW, which email we're going to use?
That is up to
If,
you now. The which point, which email ID will be the point of contact, which will be
okay.
the
It,
responsible. That email ID you
it,
can put
it,
it.
it depends. It's come with us, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's up to us. Okay. That will be clear to me.
Okay. Now, how you, the permit class? It will depend on the your zone, your if you are and the type of work you are carrying out, and that's how the permit class will be defined. Suppose you, wait.
The email ID will be the contact point for our company, MFS, correct?
Yes, yes.
The engineer or the manager.
No, 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 this email ID you mean to say?
Yes. That I'm
No,
talking about.
point of
Yeah.
contact from your company, not from
Yes, that's what.
Mosanada.
Yeah, yeah. That's what I'm telling you. Our point of contact and the email. Our point of contact.
That means suppose your safety officer or your whoever is handling that work, they will put their email ID. Suppose
Yeah,
you are the guy, you are going to complete that job, then you can put it yours. The
yeah.
guy who is always responsible and who needs to know what is happening with that permit, that email ID
Let
you can put it here.
and that email. Let me ask the operations to whom that one. No,
Yeah, yeah,
it's up.
yeah.
It's up.
Because who is going to apply that that person's email ID should be there actually. Who will be responsible that for that permit, particular task and permit.
Okay,
That email ID
understood.
should be there.
Understood.
Now the permit class, it will depend on the type of work and venue. So if it is
Ah,
in Aspector, if it is related to zone A, zone A there are different buildings. Zone B there are different buildings. So it depends on the location and depends on the task. So if it is related to events, it will go to events like that. Okay.
mm, mm, mm.
Suppose we
Which,
have
which,
selected the ungenerated service. Okay.
yeah.
Task ID. If you want to give any particular task ID, suppose that job is related to particular task which is already raised by in CAFM, you can give it. Okay.
Ah, okay.
I will open the any.
The permit class is depends which location.
Yes, yes, yes,
The where is the request? Correct?
yes.
Okay.
Okay. So I have opened one already created the permit, but there is something wrong in this permit. But I will explain you and we'll find out what is the wrong in that. Then we'll explain. So they have put the email ID. See their email ID they have put right. They have
Mhm.
selected this is a minor work job building related to building and civil. They have selected permit class. Got it? Now contract reference number they have put whatever related, that means your contractor reference name you have to put it. This is from in this search option. You have to select the contract. Your contract you will select right. Suppose what is the this things?
Maintainers.
Yeah,
The
this is your contract. You can select okay from this.
1 9. Uh,
This is your contract 11119. So you can select right, and then applicant, whoever applicant who is applying that permit, you have to put the details of it. Company you have to put the company name over here. They have put it as a Gulf Engineering. You will put as a maintenance or whatever company name is. Then
yeah.
title, in that title you have to give the title reference for this task it is created, why it is created, all and all these things you have to give it. Okay, after that permit details you have to give the all the permit details, why what are you going to do, why you are applying the permits. It is already okay. So in the permit details, suppose they have what task has been going to be done on site, you need to put it, and you need to give some particular details so that approver can understand. Okay,
Mm.
in the permit details, in the contractor safety, you have to put the safety officer detail, and the in this thing contractor name, that means your company name, and the supervisor for particular that task, whoever is the supervisor you have to put the name and numbers over here. Got it?
All the details. All the
Yeah,
details.
got it.
Okay.
Once this has been done, now you what you have to do, you have to select the location for that particular
Okay.
task. Suppose it is being done in the Aspire Dome, so
Mm.
you have to select the Aspire Dome, and then you have to select the uh, particular dates, eh, from when the task will be carried out and till which time, that means from when to when this permit will be applicable. So they
Okay.
have selected from 12th of December to the 19th of December.
So the
Understood?
date is September 9, but they are going to start their work at 12 until
Yeah, it should
17.
be in advance. The date
In
should be in
advance.
advance. In future, I mean to say, you cannot put it. You cannot create a permits for a previous task. It will not.
Okay. For example,
System will
yeah.
not accept it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
For example, we got the job today and we need the PTW. So I will create the PTW, but I can schedule the valid from 15 until 25,
it,
something like that. Correct?
it is not the ideal situation, or it cannot be like that. This is the internet. You mean to say, suppose you have to work on task from today, and how you will apply from tomorrow. It should be in advance, right? You cannot get the permit. I mean, you cannot start the task without the PTW.
Yeah.
Security
Yeah.
team will not allow you
Yeah.
to do that.
That's what I'm trying to explain. So if the task received today
Yeah,
9. So I will make a window for 3 days, 3, 4 days, 5 days, correct?
That's up to you. I mean, 3 days or
Yeah,
4 days, that's up to
yeah,
you.
yeah.
And it will not always allow you to make a window of 3 days. Suppose that task is urgent, and also it will take some time for this per PTW approval, right? So you have to keep these things in mind, and then
Yeah,
accordingly, yeah.
that's
So
what I'm
you
telling you.
understood. Only thing is, my concern is you cannot apply permit for the past. I mean, you cannot select the date in the past. It should be always in advance. I mean, in future.
Yes, yes, that's what I understood.
Yeah, yeah, good.
Got
Uh, Now, yeah, yeah. Please, you have any questions in this?
that's it. Okay, I'm done with that the data.
Yeah. Okay. So
Thank you.
now you will select the job building as part or whatever wherever this task will be done. You can put it that venue name and then location.
Yes, okay.
Understood?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Now will not save it. Then you will save it. All the details you have filled, you will save it, and then you can see the system will give the automatic unique number to that PTW. Then currently it is 11927779. So that means this PTW has a unique ID that is all related to related actions related to this permit. You can find out from this number. You can put it in the permit number and you can find out that particular permit. Got it? Now
Yes, yes, yes.
this is not you just have created, but this you have not submitted it for the so that it will go to approval stage. Right now you just have created. Now you have to
Yeah.
upload some documents, upload some method statement, hazard risk assessment, right?
Mm-mm.
Now, what you will do after creating the permit, you will upload some hazards related to that particular task, right? Suppose
Mm-mm.
they so how you will create it? They have added three hazards into it: general, manual handling, work at height. Suppose you want to add some more. Suppose there is another electrical work is going on, so you will add it electrical and you will save and close. And this is the
So,
way you will add it.
okay, okay.
So
Got
you just have to go to click on the hazard button and then create new entity and it will give you the options here. Work at height, road works, manual handling, whatever related to that this thing, you will
got it.
click
Got
on
it.
it and you will add it. Got
Got
it? So after that you will upload the documents, right? Wait. So here they made a mistake. They have not uploaded the any document. That's why it is not moving. Without uploading the documents, it will
Okay.
not move. Okay. So
Yeah, question. Once you can you go to the hazard in the system? Can you go to the hazard from the system?
hmm,
Okay, hazard. Once you enter the new hazard, save, then you go to the documents, correct?
yes, yes, yes. The
Then
sequence you cannot you can upload the documents as well first, and you can go to the hazards at the second. The sequence doesn't matter.
it doesn't matter. Okay,
Yeah,
that's what
but
that's what
it's
I'm trying to find out.
no,
So
it's
either way, if you want to go to the documents first or to the hazard first.
yeah, yeah. But
Okay.
the in the issued code that sequence matters because you are going to approve
Yes.
that. So first you have to
Yes.
put the rates, then you have to upload the documents because I missed one important things. Suppose that quotation is in approval stage. Okay.
Mm-mm.
That means you already submitted the quotation, and suppose it is approved from the venue engineer level, senior manager level, and now it is at a client's level. Okay,
Yeah.
and in between you uploaded the document. What it will do? It will consider as a quotation submit. It will consider as it needs to be put it back. So it will go back to level first again. So always remember, whatever you have to submit it, you have to upload the documents, or you have to put the cost, whatever needs to be done, it should be done before the submitting the quote.
Okay. Means the quotation, for the quotation, it should be step by step, like
Yeah,
the hazard, not like the
yeah,
hazard. You can do the
because
document.
because there are
Just
cases
do the
like the currently task is in approval stage, and they have uploaded the documents, and then it will go back to again to first level. That means we have lost some times. Also client will get frustrated that why we have to approve it again twice thrice, like that.
yes.
Also
Okay.
there are
Got
some cases, suppose that is the quotation is already approved, and you need to complete the task. Some cases are like that. The you completed the task, okay, now you
yeah.
have to upload the documents in the task, but you uploaded the documents in the quotation by mistakenly.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
What happened? That approved quote will be cancelled, and it will go back to again the approval stage.
Okay. Got it.
So
Got it.
also you cannot approve. I mean, you even though it will take some time, it will go back again. So
So
you always remember.
if you will miss one of the step, it will be cancelled.
Yeah, yeah.
It will not be approved immediately unless you do that step by step
Yes.
process
What
for
I
the
mean to say,
quotation.
you have to make sure that all things has been taken care, and all things has been
Yes.
uploaded already. You don't need to upload anything in quotation once you submit the quote.
Yes. Yes. I
You have to
understood.
make sure that.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes. Yeah.
Now
Yeah.
in the hazards, but for here you can put hazards first. You can put the documents later, or you so vice versa. It's not the mandatory one that you have to follow the
Oh,
sequence as I explained.
okay.
Understood?
Understood that one. Understood.
Now, now we have seen how to put the documents. Sorry, how to fill the work permit form here, right? Now
Mm,
we have seen how to add the hazard.
mm,
Now the main thing is how to upload the documents. So
mm.
always remember, you have to click on the documents and create a new entity. The same thing like I have explained you how to upload the documents. Only changes the document reference and the repository. Always remember it should be PTW.
All PTW.
Both
That's the
should be
difference.
PTW. And
Okay.
you want to give some title. Suppose that is the method statement, right? So you have to give it here title as a method statement. You want to give it as a risk assessment. You have to give it as a risk
Effective.
assessment. Yeah,
Yeah.
but depends means there is a particular documents is required for the like method statement is required, risk assessment, that without this the permit will not be processed. Understood?
Ah, yeah.
Once this is done, all these things are done, you uploaded the documents, you uploaded the hazards, then you will add the event here. It is event button is there, right?
Yes.
You will click on the events, and you will create event of
New event.
submit work permit for approval.
Okay.
This
Can you
is
go back
also
again?
important.
Yeah.
In
Can
the
you
events,
go again? Yes. In the events.
click the new entity
Okay.
and
Pop up window.
submit work permit for approval.
Okay, submit for approval.
and then save and close. They have done it. See, they have submitted the work permit. Whatever there is a remark options here. If you want to put any remarks, you can put it here. No MAPW scaffold are required for this PTW application. They have submitted it. Once you will submit it, this notification from system should come appear over here. That means PTW sent for approval. That means now it is in level 1 stage. You can see the level 1. If I will show you. If that is not appearing, that means you have done something wrong while in the submission part. I will show you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
See, they have cancelled it. Okay. See, they have submitted the work permit, but system event has not been generated. That PTW sent the PTW sent for approval. That is that should be appear here. So here there is something wrong. Because of that,
Ah,
it is not sent to the further stage. Okay. So
okay. So
either
there's there will be one more window will be pop up from there that the a message or yeah, a
events,
message
it
that
will be created
said,
events that
okay,
a system will create automatically. If everything is correct, then it will
mhm,
move forward. Even though
understood.
sometimes they will give the error like the document is not uploaded or like that. Due to that, work permit is not sent for approval like that. But this is important thing. You have to ensure that so this is the submission event by the this guy Arjun. But this is done by system. PTW send for approval. This event should be generated automatically within 1, 2, or within 5 minutes. Sometimes it will take 10 minutes, but it should be generated.
Yeah, okay,
That means everything is correct. If it is not generating, then there is something wrong.
okay,
Then you have to go to the check the some data is missing or you have not uploaded the documents correctly. That PTW you have not mentioned like that. Understood? This is the way you will upload.
okay.
And once it is done, once it is approved, then it will show as upload here.
Uh-uh.
Then it will create one documents automatically. It will be created by the system. That means PTW final approval. This document will also send on that email ID that is mentioned here.
Mm,
This this will automatically goes. This document will automatically sent on this email ID, and also you can find out from here in
mm.
the documents, and this you can just open it by the view button. This is the main PTW. You have to carry it out on the site,
Yeah, yeah. Just
and you can download it. You can print it. You can take it on site. Is
okay.
there any questions in this? That's it for
No, no,
PTW.
I got it. I got it.
Okay, then that's it. Thank you
Okay.
very much. I mean,
Welcome.
we have completed well within time.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Actually, it's 30 minutes more, no. Anyway,
Yeah.
the slideshow, can you share it to the to
No,
our email?
actually, actually, we explained this PPM extra, but
Yeah,
for you,
yeah,
that's why I have taken 1 hour.
yeah.
But
No,
if it
no.
is PPM and CM and all these things, it will take 1.5 hour.
Yeah, but the good thing is you just explain me briefly for the PPM as well. Anyway, even we are not in the contact with the PPM. Anyway, can you share me the slideshow as well for
Yeah, yeah,
the
definitely, definitely. No worries.
okay?
Yeah.
So if I have any question, I'll just contact you directly.
Yes, no worries. We'll be there always.
Okay,
Thank
okay.
you. Have a
So
nice
thank you. You too.
day.
Have a nice
Bye.
day. Have a nice day. And nice to meet you.
Yeah. Okay. Bye bye.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.